I'm going to show you how to get Balm highlight. Easy illuminating stick. This is stick highlight. So this is the secret to Balm highlight. My favorite tip. And I get a lot of it on. They don't look like a lot, but there's a lot of it on here. So I'm gonna start with the my cheekbone, and I'm using my entire finger. Like if you see now, like it's not on here anymore, it's on all my finger. So I'm just pressing and tapping it. I'm moving kind of circular, so I don't want to just tap it in place because then it's not going to be blended. So while you're blending it in place, you're going to go up. As you're going up, you're going to go around. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side, but you're going to use your other finger. My face is dry, right? My face is powdery. So when I go on and I put on the highlight, which is powder as well, it's not going to grab on. It's not going to be as pigmented because you're putting powder on top of powder. So depending on what highlighter you're using, I know there's like a bunch of different ones now, but I feel like I've been out of the makeup game for a long time. So I need to get back to it. So I'm gonna get more. So I did the same thing on this side. I'm gonna get more, and I love putting it on my chin. Like same thing. I'm putting a lot on. I'm not gonna go in with more, but I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose, and then we just go up and just tapping it. So even then, like it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna get more, and I love putting it on like the top of my eyebrows right here, like on my forehead, and just tapping it and blending it as I go. Same thing. So if you leave it like that, you just look a little oily, you look a little glowy. But I don't know if it will stay on. Like I feel like it would come off because it's just like oil or like oily. So I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Starlight. It's like a light color highlight, and then this brush is from Coastal Scents as well. Just swirl the brush. I usually don't. Do I use this highlight? Oh my god, I don't even use highlight anymore, guys. So I'm gonna go back and forth. If your highlight is not coming out like this, like if it's still not glowing like this, it could be because it's just too much powder going on. It's just too powdery. Maybe you don't got the right highlighter, and you don't got the right brush. There's like a lot of things that could go into it. But one thing, wax your face. It will look so good. Your skin will be so smooth. Like, you do gotta keep up with it, but honestly, just make it part of your self-care routine, and your highlight will always look good because I don't got no hair. Like it's completely hairless, so that is also what makes it look really good. So I just go back and forth. Like I kind of start at the top and then on the top of my forehead where I did that. So that is my highlight routine.